What's going on? So today we got a video from Uncovered, and the title of the video is entitled Brat Gets Instantly Arrested After Leaving Prison. All right. Come on, man. She trying to change her life around. She trying to do some things. Let's see if prison has changed her ways. All right, let's get to it.
I used to call an ambulance.
Okay, you don't walk into this house.
I'm not walking into the house. I don't walk into the house. This is racist profiling.
Well, it's really not.
A day after getting out of jail, she tries robbing somebody at a laundromat, then acts like the victim after a surprise visit from police. Officers confronted the suspect on September 6th of 2024, a few blocks over from where the incident occurred.
Hey, how's it going?
Hi.
What's going on over here today?
I was at Dunkin' Donuts, so I don't know. Somebody stole my wallet, and I don't know. She called police. I don't know. I don't have a wallet, so that woman stole my wallet. Her name is Kiaho.
Okay, that's what happened?
Yeah, I don't have a wallet.
Where did this happen at?
Where did it happen?
Yeah. Do me a favor, take your hands out of your pockets, would you?
Oh.
That's fine, that's fine. I just don't know what's in your pockets.
It happened in there.
All right, can we just talk on the sidewalk? I don't want anyone to get hit by a car.
No, because I don't have identification.
Hold on. I know who you are.
I don't
know
want anything from you.
I know who you are. Don't walk away.
My name is Carrie.
I know, Carrie Willis. I know who you are.
I don't have anything.
Okay,
I don't even have a wallet.
Listen.
I just got out.
Listen.
I came from Alabama.
Oh boy. Damn. They know you by name already. That means you be in the cops' face way too much. Way too much. If the cops know you by name already, you be in a lot of trouble.
That's not exactly true. Come here.
Okay, I'm serious. I don't have a wallet.
Hold on a second. I told you.
I don't have a wallet.
Listen to me.
And I just got out. I don't have
Come
a
here.
wallet.
If you walk away, you're going to be arrested. You understand that?
What?
Watch out.
Who cares?
Carrie. Get out of the street. Come here.
No.
Watch out.
Talk to the police. I have nothing to do with anything. Leave me alone. I'm waiting on the bus.
Yeah, Carrie, you're going to have to come with us, unfortunately.
I'm waiting on the bus.
I know.
I don't live here. I'm waiting on the bus.
Well, I don't know.
I just got out of jail. I'm waiting on the bus.
I know all this. So here's the deal, all right?
You didn't even get my wallet, and
Well,
I went to the Elgin Police Department already.
All right. Do me a favor. Don't reach in there. Please don't reach in there. Okay. Here's the deal.
Yeah.
There's some stuff that happened this morning. Okay. Over at the laundromat.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So do you want to tell me about that, or?
The lady came in at 7:41.
Okay.
And that was it. And I opened the door for her an hour and 45 minutes ago.
Yeah.
She came in 2 hours ago.
Yeah.
And she came in at 6 o'clock.
Did you have
and
some
it's
sort of altercation?
8:04.
Did you
It's
have some sort of
8:05.
altercation with her?
Huh?
Did you have some sort of altercation with her?
And she tried to hit me. She smacked me.
Well, that's
in the
not
face.
accurate. That's not accurate. I saw a video.
She's Mexican. And
Yeah. Yeah. What were you doing in there all night?
What was I doing there? I wasn't in there all night.
You were. It's on video.
I wasn't in there all night.
You were. It was on video.
I wasn't in there all. Why would I be in there all night?
Well, I don't know, because maybe you don't have a place to stay.
I'll stay at the.
What's that?
Right here.
Okay. Well, you were there all night. I mean, it's on video.
I wasn't there all night.
Okay, from
You never
11
even got my
o'clock.
purse back. She stole my
You
identity.
never. No one stole your identity.
Yes, she did. I don't steal.
She went in there to do her laundry.
I have no clothes. What are you talking about?
Okay. Well, you were in there.
I wasn't in there.
Okay.
I don't steal.
So here's what I need you to do. Okay. I need you to stand up. I need you to put your hands behind your back, because you're going to be arrested. You're going to be charged with battery, criminal trespass, and disorderly conduct.
No, I just got out of Cook County Jail.
Okay, listen to me. What's going to happen is you'll be brought down to the Elgin Police Department. You'll be processed, and you'll be given a court date, and you will be released.
I'm not going to the Elgin Police Department. I just got out of jail.
Okay, you will be charged, given paperwork, and a court date, and then you can come to that court date. You will be released today, but you do have to go to the jail to get processed.
She tried to fight me. Look.
Those are old injuries.
No, it's not.
Those are old.
I never even. No, it's not.
Those are scabbed up.
No, it's not. Oh, I haven't even. No, it's not.
Okay.
Can I go to the hospital?
We can possibly go there. Why do you need to go to the hospital?
Because these are new injuries.
Those are very old injuries.
No, they're not.
I'm not a doctor, and
I would like to go to the hospital.
Okay, well, we can do that after you get released from the jail.
No, I would like to go to the hospital.
For what?
We're going to get back to the video in just 1 second, but first I want to tell you that my YouTube mentorship program is now open. That means I'm going to help you grow your YouTube channel from 0 to monetization. That means that you will be able to start earning money on YouTube, whether you want to do this full-time or you want to do it part-time just to have a little side money. Who doesn't like side money? I don't know who. It comes with a course, private access to me to ask me any questions or anything like that that you need, and a bunch of different other stuff. Click the link in the description and sign up today. It's only $30. That's $1 a day. Back to the video.
The jail.
No, I would like to go to the hospital.
For what?
These injuries.
Those
called
are
the
old,
EMT.
scabbed
Look
injuries.
At this.
That's an old injury.
This is not old.
That Band-Aid is old.
Because I clean it every day.
Okay.
I would like to go to the hospital.
I'll tell you what we'll do.
Can you call the EMT?
Yeah, we will have the paramedics come get you at the jail.
No, I would like you to call the hospital now.
Okay, I'll tell you what then. Go ahead and stand up, and we're going to put you in cuffs, and then we'll call an ambulance.
No,
That's
I
my
want
promise.
I want you to call the hospital because I'm waiting on the bus.
That's not an option.
I want you to call the hospital.
That's not the option.
I want you to...
We will get you medical attention if that's what
No.
you request.
You know somebody that lives here?
Yes.
We will get you medical attention, but we're going to have to go to the jail first, and we will call an ambulance for you if that's what you want.
I want you to call the ambulance. I don't have a... I want you to call the ambulance.
You know what though? I must give these cops credit. They do have they are having a lot of patience right now. I'm not gonna lie. You know what I'm saying? They're letting her talk. They're letting her whatever. They not really jumping the gun just yet, but I got a feeling it is about to turn, it's going to turn up a notch a little bit, but they have given her a lot of leeway. I'm not going to lie.
My mom says right down the street.
All right, you're going to have to come with us.
I want you to call an ambulance.
We will call. Listen to what I'm telling you one more time. Listen, look at me. Please look at me.
I don't believe the police. I would like you to call an ambulance.
Okay, well, you don't. Here's what's going to happen. You're going to go to the jail first, and I will call an ambulance, and the ambulance can meet us down there, and they can come check you out while we're doing the paperwork and get you processed.
I would like you to call an ambulance right now.
I'm not calling an ambulance right now.
I would like you to call an ambulance.
It doesn't matter what you want. I'm telling you what we're going to do.
I would like you to call an ambulance. I'm scarred up, and I have my purse back, and you did nothing. And I would like you to call an ambulance.
You didn't talk to us. You walked away from us.
Yeah, you walked away from us.
I stayed my case.
Okay, here's what needs to happen.
I
need you to stand up.
Ambulance.
Listen to me.
No.
I don't want you to make this worse for you. I don't want you to make this worse for you.
I am homeless.
I know. We will get you medical attention if that's what you require, but you do have to come with us. That is not negotiable. I will do what you need, and I will get you an ambulance to meet us at the Elgin Police Department to have you checked out. But you do need to come with us. I will promise you that I will have them meet us there. I promise you that. I will call them as soon as we're en route. We will meet. They'll have them meet you down there. Okay? And they'll check you out, and they'll look at your old injuries, and they'll see what they can do for you. Okay? When was the last time you had something to eat? Are you hungry?
Yeah.
We can get you some food too,
Yeah.
okay? What I don't want to have happen here is I don't want you to try to fight with us right now, and then we have to take you down to the ground and force you to come with us. I don't want to do that, okay? I'd prefer that you cooperate with us, okay?
Yeah.
And just would you do that for us?
Yeah, these see.
Okay.
Yeah, just take off the backpack, okay?
Okay, well, that's coming with us. We just need you to take the backpack off. All your property will come with us, and you're getting all your property back today.
Yes.
Okay? You're just going to get down and get some paperwork, and we have to process
See,
it.
I live here. These are my socks.
Okay.
We hear that.
All right, could you just take your backpack off for us, please?
Yeah, I walk to the car with you.
Hey, could you just take the backpack off right now?
I can show you.
No, here.
No, let me show you what's in my backpack.
I prefer you don't do that right now.
See, look.
Okay.
Look, all I got, all my property back, weirdness,
Oh,
and
it's
I
all
have
like
no
cleaning
phone.
stuff? Okay.
And X. You use all
Okay.
my X.
Okay.
I have my jam.
All right, Carrie.
Look.
Okay. All
Carrie
right.
Willis, right?
Yeah. Okay. I'll tell you what, Carrie. I appreciate you showing me all this.
That's it.
We're gonna have
Because I just got this back
I didn't know
in
anything.
evidence.
Okay.
Sunglasses.
Okay.
You'll
I'll
get
tell
it
you
back.
what.
You'll get it back.
Right. I'll tell you what. Let's go ahead and
Baby
stand up.
wipes, I keep clean.
Okay.
Come on,
I
Carrie.
appreciate all this. I appreciate all this. All right. Well, we're gonna have that come with you. We just need you to stand up, and we just need to put your hands behind your back.
See, I feel like these cops are nice, man. Good point. They offering food, nice green bologna sandwich down at the county. Probably some rotten fruit. Got a little mold on it, but build up your immune system. You know what I'm saying? Like I feel like these cops are actually being pretty nice. I like these guys. I ain't gonna lie. They chase her all around town and everything like that. I feel like they doing an outstanding job, man. She's cuckoo for Cocoa Puffs, but they doing what they could do.
Again,
Why do you need to put my hands behind my back?
Under arrest. I told you that.
I just showed you that you just asked for the statement, and I gave you the statement,
And I told
you
you
took
what
her
we have to
statement
do.
already.
I know, and you gave us your statement.
So what was her statement?
Well, your statement was that you were not spending the night at the laundromat, that you did not fight with anyone, that you were not there, right? Basically, in summary.
Yes, because
And
my
then
name is.
something to do with your wallet was taken.
My wallet was in custody already. I never got my wallet back.
Is it at the police? Oh, okay. Well, that's something you'd have to take up with Cook County.
No, I never got my wallet back from Elgin Police
Oh,
Department.
we can look into that for you.
I never got my phone back from Elgin Police
We'll
Department.
look into that as well. But listen,
It's a Samsung Galaxy
Okay.
A15.
We'll go down to the police department. We'll do this paperwork. We'll get you some food if you want some food.
I
and
can
then-
show you.
Okay, Carrie?
I can show you.
We gotta go. We gotta go.
Look,
Wait, what are you doing?
Carrie.
Don't walk into this house. Okay.
I'm not walking into the house. I don't walk into the house. Talk to them.
Let's just
Okay, let's go.
head over to the police car, okay?
Okay,
And
come
we'll
on.
keep going. You want to grab your water bottle?
This is racist profiling.
Well, it's really not.
And you're white. And
That's true. That is
I'm not
absolutely
white.
correct. I guess that's correct as well.
So
I
you
don't know.
walk when you walk.
You're gonna have to walk, okay?
Okay, you
Carrie,
walk.
have I been very polite to you?
Yes, but
Okay.
you're trying to arrest me.
Well, you are
You
under
are.
arrest.
You're under
You're
arrest.
No, I didn't say I'm not under arrest.
Okay, well, we're gonna put you in cuffs, and if you don't want to be on arrest, that's fine, but you're gonna be in cuffs, and we're gonna go to the police
I'm
department.
just gonna walk this way.
Okay, I appreciate that. Let's go this way. Okay, all we need you to do is just put the bag down, please, and we will have you sit in the back seat. We do have to put you in cuffs for the ride, okay? Once we get to the jail, we will take the cuffs off right away. We'll just put that in her bag. She can just put that in her bag. That's her property.
Hold on.
Okay. Do me a favor, just put your hands behind your back for us.
Car, you
Okay,
gave
yeah.
me-
Yeah, hold on. We gotta check you too, okay? We gotta make sure you don't have anything. Please just put your hands behind your back.
Let me put my
What do you need?
lipstick.
Oh, no, you don't need that. Put that here.
Let
Let
me
her
put
put
it
a
on.
lipstick on, that's fine.
I didn't do anything.
Okay.
I knocked on the.
Okay, this is just simple. You're gonna get some paperwork and you're gonna
the
get released, okay? So this is just gonna be like a...
No, I'm trying to put my chest in.
I know, I'm sorry. Okay.
Can you please put your hands behind your
Yeah, I
back?
was just trying to put my
Okay,
bra,
that's
my
fine.
chest.
That's fine.
Hands behind your back,
All right, I
ma'am.
I was
appreciate
just
it.
trying to put my bra, my chest in.
Okay, I appreciate all this. Thank you for doing this. We prefer to go this way than any other kind of way. All right, do you have anything in your pockets right now that could hurt us, like a knife, any needles, anything you picked up that's sharp, broken glass, anything like that? Do you know what's in your pockets right now?
Lipstick.
Okay.
And you just took it. So
Okay.
there's nothing
It's
my
in your
arm.
bag.
Okay, I'm just gonna make sure there's nothing in your pockets here. All right, we'll have you have a seat right here. Hold on a second. Let me get this. All right, I want to get this seatbelt on just so you don't slide around. Let me see if I can get this in for you.
Is that hers?
Then go around the top of your head.
I'll put that in.
All right. Let's. We're gonna pick that up front, and then we're gonna get you down there, and we'll take those cuffs off once we get down there. Okay, Carrie?
The suspect was charged with battery, criminal trespassing, disorderly conduct, and obstructing justice. Let us know your thoughts on this video in the comments.
Damn, they loaded the charges up on her ass. You see the interaction and you think, oh, you know, whatever. But then you get to the charges. It's like 5 charges, bro. Golly. Damn. Yeah, you know. She definitely ain't wrapped too tight. I ain't gonna lie. The cops did an outstanding job, honestly. Honestly. They did an outstanding job. Like, they get a 5. I ain't gonna lie. They didn't turn up on her. They didn't do none of the extra shit. They just, you know, treated her decent. You know what I mean? And she was treated decently by those cops. I ain't even gonna lie. They get a 5. 5 out of 5 for sure.
Watch when I get in the mood. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you, no FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam. 2K shit that get a nigga lean.